I'm not a huge. I mean, I might cry, but I'm not a huge crier. I'm more of like I go blank. So I was joking with Brandon about the mic because it's probably not gonna get anything. A little bit of stuttering. Amazing. I don't want to step on your dress.
You're good. It's been through sleet, hail, snow, you name it. Tyler, you and I both know I'm the queen of being indecisive. Decisions aren't really my strong suit, but if there's one decision I'll never second guess, it's spending the rest of my life as Mrs. TK. You have filled my life with joy and have given me a sense of comfort I've never known.
I don't think anyone is more surprised than me that I'm lucky enough to be standing here making you my wife. Especially after our first date, and I forgot my wallet. Don't worry, we're gonna hear more about that later. For our second date that was delayed because I was chasing Max out of the chicken coop. But after almost 5 years of me constantly messing up trying to impress you, here we are.
It's so beautiful!
When I heard you guys say your vows to each other today, I couldn't help but think how happy I am to know that he has somebody that'll be there for him like he's there for us all the time.
Someone say a toast.
To lifelong friendships and to Tyler and Haley.
Smile, cheers.
Growing up, my sister Haley and I would play dress up at our grandma's house often. She would often wrap up in a lace tablecloth, or she would even use the Mexico wrap that my grandma brought home with her. As we are here today playing dress up for her wedding today. When it came to finding her special wedding dress, I knew exactly what she wanted like. We heard, that looks like the dolly from my grandma's house a million times.
Jesse's
come in.
There is an infinite number of things that I love about you. I love that you are the most hardworking and dedicated person that I have ever met. Even though that dedication also spills over into your 309 hobbies.
I promise to always keep making that same effort that built this foundation of love, respect, and trust that we share today. I promise to always keep tackling life as a team. And I promise to always do my very best to make you smile.
Hi.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Looks so good. I love it.
I vow to be your partner, lover, and best friend for eternity. We have grown so much in the last 5 years, and I'm so excited to see where this life takes us as husband and wife.
With the bond that we have, I know we can make it through anything. I've been waiting on this moment since the very first day we met, and I cannot wait to continue building a life together, but even more now with you as my wife.
Tyler, I couldn't have dreamed up a better man for Haley to marry. You are so incredibly hardworking
patient, selfless, and the perfect balance of smart-ass than Haley. Haley, the short of it is you're the best friend I could have ever asked for. Without you, I wouldn't be me. I think I can say for everybody here, we're really glad that we're all celebrating you today. I can't wait to watch you grow and make a family of your own.
To the new Mr. and Mrs. King as they embark on the journey that is life. When the good times roll, let them. When the bad times try, forget them. I wish you that your family prospers, your love grows strong. And if you find one thing in every day, may it be peace. Love you guys.